Hey guys, it's your girl Samira and welcome back to my channel. I'm here again to give you guys another video which has been the most anticipated video I've ever had, because people would constantly be asking me about this video, because I was saying since November that I was gonna do this video. So like, you know, now we finally have it. So hopefully you guys are, you know, the wait's over and you guys are excited, because I am. But yeah, so let's get in the video, because you know I can ramble. Today we have the comparison video of the Chanel Classic flap in patent leather, and as you can see, one of them is real and one is a super fake, aka almost real. This here is the real one. See the CC, see the stitching, this chain, back of it. As you can see, it's a little sagging, you know, worn. But yeah, I kind of outdid this. I actually need another one. I really outdid this damn bag. And this one is the fake one. See the CC, and the leather, the chain. So as I said in my last video, this here is one of the best fits I have ever seen. Like, I mean, I just feel like I can tell certain things off bat after comparing, but when I first got it, like, I was like, ooh, this shit look nice as hell, this shit look good. But as I compared to my bag, I was like, oh, okay, this is kind of noticeable. But it's, to me, like, you have to know Chanel bags to know off bat. Because if I out like this here and I stunting and I take my pictures and stuff, like, I don't think you can even tell the things I'm gonna tell you, you know, are fake, because it's gonna be in a picture, so you're not gonna see it. But I mean, like, maybe somebody's out and they're seeing you or whatever, and then they get a close-up look, then they probably could tell. But I don't think like they're that like noticeable if you're out in the open. But again, hey, you never know. I'm not a Chanel expert, so maybe even I can't tell off bat. But first of all, what I did notice off bat was that the type of like silver metal they use is much shinier, newer, and it's like, you know, which is good. It looks good like this. But it looks like one I probably could like turn really quickly. And the fact that, like, you know, it's like just really out there, to me is why I notice it, because mine is like a darker silver. It's almost like it could be black. Like, it's like a dark, like almost like I don't know, almost could be black. Like, we can see here, this thing right here is a darker like silver. And then my chain, my CC is also like a darker one, and it's actually like a more like brass color, so all scratched up, and so as the chain. Now if we look back at this one, this is like, you know, very shiny, you know, out there, like, you know, just brand new silver, da da da. Then the CC's, of course, is very shiny as well, and it looks like not like a brassy color. And then the chain is very shiny as well. Now let me show you guys the comparison of the chains so you can see them side by side, because you might can't tell them together. Like, so, and then the stitching, I feel like they've done a great job, you know, of like matching the stitchings going down, like because, you know, some people with the cheaper bags, like, they'd be off. These ones are like literally perfect. They did a really good job of crafting that. Oh, and one thing they could tell from is the scent. It smells like cheap plastic. of course. And I mean, my bag probably smell like me. Yeah, I smell like perfume. So, but mine didn't smell like plastic when I first got it. That's what I know for sure. But then those are like the main things that I noticed on the outside of the bag, which to me is pretty good, because like honestly, like the third thing, I don't think you can really tell that in pictures, or the silver you can tell in pictures either if you're stunting on the gram or whatever. In terms of like everything else in the front, the pockets great, the stitching's perfect, the overall shape of the bag is being really crafted well. So again, that's only it. The only thing is the type of silver. If they would use a darker silver and double threaded things, they would be good. But then again, it's supposed to be like 99% and not 100. Opening the bag. This is the inside of the bag. So when I open the bag, I notice a difference. But for me, like when it comes to fakes, like I feel like, who the hell is gonna be in your bag? Now, after money being in your bag, they better be putting money in that bag. Cause anybody go in my bag, I don't care if it's real, fake, ours, whatever. You're not going to my bag, because unless I send you my bag with something to take something off of me. But if you go in my bag as a stranger trying to check my bag, bitch, you better be adding money in there. Okay? Period. But I noticed when I opened the bag, so when I first noticed is this little scrawny ass thing they made for the zip. Like what is this? What is this little scrawny thing? Like they could at least do it a little better. Like it's, I mean, that was some bullshit. I didn't like that. And of course the silver was also the same silver of outside, which is still a little shinier and very like, you know, out there. But I was really disappointed with that. The zip and everything was placed in the accurate spot. Let me show you what the zip thing was supposed to look like and not being scrawny. See, this is a lot more professional and looks, you know, looks very crafted. I don't know what's that bullshit they put on, but you know that again, there's a difference between a $290 bag and a $5,000 bag. Oh well, 48 something. You know, I'll put the price in there. Got my receipt over there. Also, I also noticed that when I open here, the CCs of mine, of course my bag is a little bit more dated, so I feel like it's not as out there with the stitching. It's not as dark in there. So, but I noticed that the Chanel thing right on the CC, it says made in France, and the fake one, it has said made in Italy. So that I did notice, and again, like this stood out a little bit more to me on my thing, but it, you know, they both feel the same way. Like it's really, and like it's literally, to me, it's literally perfect. I mean, their one looked a little bit bigger than mine, and I can also tell now that their one is a little bit lower than mine. Like the spacing between the hook and the CC is a lot larger than the spacing between mine, because mine's barely have any spacing. You know what I'm saying? So, but again, those are little fine details that nobody's really paying attention to. Like, it's legit like the best fake I've ever seen. I've seen a good fakes and I'd be like, okay, that bag is so fake. This looks so weird and stuff. This is definitely a really good fake. I definitely recommend, you know, you guys, if you guys want to get a fake, to get this one. Spend a little bit more money to get this one, because it was honestly, it's a lot better than the ones that are going around for like $70, $30 and stuff on Wish. Another thing too, guys, like I'm gonna do a giveaway of this one, you know, so if you guys would go ahead and like and comment on my page, also share my video on your Instagram and ask them people to go and subscribe to my channel. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I kept it kind of short and sweet. I'm trying to cut these videos down a little you know, because I know I realize you guys, it gets kind of boring watching videos long all the time, so I just want to get something short and straight to the freaking point. So I hope y'all like this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you are subscribed, go ahead and click that notification bell so you know when I'm actually posting stuff, because this is only the beginning. We are coming, okay? We as in me. We is me. But anyways, that's all I have for you today. And like, you know, I'm so glad I'm getting so much more comfortable talking to you guys, even though I'm talking to myself. But I am looking forward to this every week now, and I can't wait to show you guys more stuff I have in store. And like, you know, yeah, toodles.